Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Let's Learn English with me, Rehana. Our today's speech topic is women empowerment. So let's start our today's topic. Women who've been called from centuries sinfe nazuk, but whenever the world needs, women always stood like a mountain and gave victory to the world. Then what is women empowerment? That give women freedom of speech, let them educated, allow them doing jobs and pursue their dreams, or give them right to take their own decisions for themselves. Today I like to talk about women empowerment in Pakistan. As a Pakistani and a Muslim girl, I like to highlight some points through this presentation. If I am not wrong, we are living in a 21st century, which almost 22 years have passed. We are living in an era right now where women are more educated than men, doing their jobs, living their dreams. Even now they have right to choose their future home as well. Then why every year on Women March we see different slogans holding in our girls' hands like my life, my rules, etc. Why? It's clearly seen that nowadays our girls and women taking women empowerment to completely different way. If we see the value of women in Islam, then I like to add this line that Islam is the only religion who gives respect to the woman, who give equal right to the women. Islam also give equal rights to women to get educated. As our Holy Prophet ﷺ said, acquisition of knowledge is binding to all Muslims, both men and women, without any discrimination. It is Islam who put Jannah in the feet of the women. Hadith Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There is Jannah on every mother's feet. With this hadith, Islam raised their status to another level and gave all respect to women. But why? Because this is women who runs the family, generation, raise the children and teach them right or wrong, who birth a child, raise them and give them for the sake of Allah or country without hesitation. If we see in the history, women always put equal contributions with men. Like in struggle days of Islam, the women like Bibi Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anha, Bibi Fatima radiallahu ta'ala anha, Bibi Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, who put the legacy of Islam on their own. And if we see Bibi Sumayya radiallahu ta'ala anha, who took part in war equally with the men against Kuffar and became the first Shahida in Islamic history. If we see in struggle days of Pakistan independence, we see women like Miss Fatima Jinnah, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan, Begum Rana Shahnawaz Begum, and Miss Zinat like women who played important role in the creation of Pakistan. As our Qaid said about it, no nation can rise the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you. A part of these struggling days, if we see in after creation of Pakistan, we could see many great women who put so much contribution for the development of country, in which women like Benazir Bhutto Shaheed, who became the first Muslim Prime Minister of Pakistan, who lost her family for the sake of the country but never gave up again, stood up but unfortunately got martyred. If we see Bilqis Edhi, the wife of Abdul Sattar Edhi, she stood by her husband and did so much social works like open shelter homes for orphans or needy and free ambulance services, etc. So these are the women who put themselves for the betterment of the society. So if today's girls wants women empowerment, then be like Khatun Jannah Razillahu Ta'ala Anha, like Fatima Jinnah Rahmatullah Alayh, be like Bilqis Edhi, put yourself for the betterment of the society. If we see in Western or non-Muslim women, then be like Dr. Ruth Catherine, be like Florence Nightingale or Helen Keller. Leave good example for the future girls to follow the right path. Put your name in the history in a good way. Make yourself proud, your family proud, and your country proud all over the world. I like to end it with these lines. Feminism is not about making women strong. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all liked it. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share and comment. Inshallah, we will meet in my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.